Okay, this is my six-star roofing and siding contractor. We're doing the testing. Testing repairable scale. Repairability for the shingles. 3800 Levittown Parkway, Levittown, Pennsylvania. So we have a crack of line. You can see this even when you lift it up. So we have to lift it up as much to nail the shingle. So when you lift it up, it's going to be cracking line, the glass line, right on top. You will see. So this is the crack. You see that in this area. Repairable is not the really repair the shingle. It's not a good option right now, because you get damage on the others. So you can tell. See the behind the shingles, they crack it.